Are you tired of spending hours scrolling through stock photo websites only to find the same boring, generic images everyone else is using? What if you could create the exact image you have in your mind in seconds, for free, and know that it's 100% unique to your brand? With Canva's AI image generator, you can. You've probably seen tutorials that show you how to type a simple phrase and get a picture. But you were left confused when the image of a person working came out with 3 arms, or the cat you wanted looked like a weird potato. The truth is, most guides skip the most important part: how to talk to the AI. They don't teach you how to write detailed prompts to get high-quality, predictable results. They don't show you the different art styles or how to use these images in actual projects. Today, we're going to fix that. This is the ultimate guide to mastering Canva's AI image generator, from beginner to pro. Part 1. Finding your AI magic and the #1 benefit. First things first, let's find the tool. Canva recently updated its interface. Instead of digging through apps, you can now often find it right on your dashboard. Now, before we create anything, here is the single biggest reason to use this tool. Fact: every single image you generate is completely new, unique, and comes with a commercial license. That means you are free to use it for your business, your marketing, your products, anything. No more worrying about complicated stock photo licenses. Part 2. The 3-step formula for perfect images. Okay, let's get to the fun part. The secret to getting amazing AI images is something called prompt engineering. Think of it like ordering from a creative chef. If you just tell the chef, "Make me food," you'll get something random. But if you say, "I want a grilled salmon with asparagus, a lemon butter sauce, and a side of roasted potatoes," you're going to get a masterpiece. The AI is your chef. Your prompt is the detailed order. The best prompts follow a simple 3-step formula: core subject plus descriptive details plus artistic style. Let's see it in action. Our step 1, core subject, is a cat. It's a cat, but it's boring. Now for step 2, descriptive details. Let's get specific. How about a fluffy ginger cat wearing a tiny blue bow tie sitting on a stack of old books? See the difference? We're telling the AI exactly what we want to see. Now for the magic ingredient, step 3, artistic style. This is where you become the director. Click on Style and you'll see a huge range of options. Let's add cinematic to our prompt. Look at that! We went from a generic cat to a beautiful, unique piece of art in 3 simple steps. The style defines the entire mood. Part 3. Pro tips for next-level results. Want to take it even further? Here are a few pro tips to get truly unique results. First, refine and iterate. Don't be afraid to edit your AI image. Once you add it to your design, you can use Canva's entire photo editor to adjust the brightness, crop it, or even use Magic Edit to change small details. The first generation is just the starting point. Second, my personal shortcut. Create a base prompt for consistency. If you need the same character or style across multiple designs, save your core descriptors. Now, you can just add to it anything you want. This keeps your branding consistent and saves you so much time. I include this example doc in description. And here's a final high-value tip you probably haven't heard before. Think like a photographer. Instead of just describing the subject, tell the AI how it was shot. For example, change a prompt from "a cup of coffee on a table" to "a cup of coffee on a table, shot on a DSLR camera, 85mm lens with a shallow depth of field." See that incredible difference? By adding camera details, you're telling the AI to create a professional quality photograph, not just a simple image. This is the secret to getting that creamy, blurred background and making your visuals look incredibly high-end. Remember, data shows that brands using unique custom visuals see a significant lift in engagement and brand recall compared to those using generic stock photos. You're not just making a picture, you're making your brand more memorable. So, let's recap. Ditch the boring stock photos and embrace the power of AI to create exactly what you need with a full commercial license. If you remember just one thing from this video, let it be the creative chef analogy. The quality of your image is directly related to the quality of your prompt. Be specific. The 3-step formula, core subject, descriptive details, and artistic style is your recipe for success. If this guide helped you, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips to level up your skills. And as a special bonus for watching, I've put together a free PDF cheat sheet that explains every single style and aspect ratio we looked at today, so you'll always know which one to choose. The link to download it is right at the top of the description below. Now, I want to hear from you. What is the most creative or useful image you've been able to generate with Canva's AI? Drop a description in the comments below.